Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Were there times when you feel like you wanted to be recognized or even acknowledged for doing such a great work? I remembered one time a parishioner who used to tell people, "Ay Father, alam mo ba, ako ang nag-donate yung malaking santo dyan sa harapan. Pero secret lang ha. Don't tell anyone." Pati nga yung mga kung ano-ano dyan, ako po yung nagbigay. Ako po yung nag-donate. Pero secret lang natin, Father ha. Huwag niyo pong ipagkakalat. And then apparently, she has told each and everyone in the parish about it, ending with the words, "Don't tell anyone ha." Dear brothers and sisters, our gospel today speaks about Jesus' selfless service to the people. Despite the oppositions and the Pharisees taking counsel against him. But what did Jesus do? He withdrew from that place, but still many people followed him. He cured many who were sick while instructing them, "Oh, don't tell anyone about this. Don't make me known to many people." And for sure, we all know that Jesus really meant what he said. Ayaw niyang ipagkalat ang kanyang mga ginagawa, not out of bragging or false humility, but he did this out of pure sincerity and compassion for the people. However, isn't it that when we do something good, somehow, aminin natin, there are times also when we want to be recognized, hindi po ba? Minsan, dadating at dadating yung time na kahit gaano ka-sincere nung iyong ginawa, parang gusto din naman nating ma-acknowledge kahit papano, hindi po ba? At minsan, kahit talaga gaano ka-selfless at ka-pure yung ating intentions na mabuti, gusto din naman natin kahit paano, hindi po ba yung napapasalamatan din tayo kahit papaano? Dear brothers and sisters, while reflecting upon our gospel today, I think that there's really nothing wrong with it. And maybe God also understands our need to be acknowledged. At hindi po ba minsan nga, the more we get acknowledged, the more na tumutulong tayo, mas namomotivate tayo na tumulong sa ating kapwa. And so somehow, there's really nothing wrong with this. But maybe, God is telling and reminding us today that compassion must always be the primary goal of doing good. The primary goal of doing good. Yan po dapat yung mauna sa ating pagtulong sa kapwa. Yung kabutihan, yung concern, yung pagmamahal, yung awa, yung pagtulong, yung dalisay na hangarin, at busilak na puso sa paggawa ng mabuti. Yan po dapat yung palaging nauuna. Kaya po sinabi din sa atin, sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon, o sa ating ebanghelyo sa kabuuan, hindi po ba, when you give, do not let your left hand know what your right hand is doing. And you know, the moment we master this, I think that's the time we really become selfless and compassionate to other people. Difficult? Mahirap po ba? Yes. But I think it's not impossible. Amen.